Here she is, Elsa Bells. Well, you know what? I think if anybody doesn't listen to Saskia, I'm sorry, golly, they do not know what they're talking about. Because man, both her and Scotty, bang on with the athlete's foot, the cheap ass athlete's foot stuff. Pardon my French. It works good. She had the funky toes, and the vet couldn't figure it out. How, surprise, surprise. And I put the cream on, and yep, this is the one who had the problem. Burnt, burnt, burnt. Big old pudgy bit. Hairball. And all better. All better. But I still have it. I still have the cream in case I need it for her. Uh-huh. Hi. Look at her nose. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, jeez. What light socket did you stick your finger into? That's some crazy business. That's some crazy business right there. Look at that. Look at that hair. That is some messy hair. What? What is it? Look at that face. Hi. My little hate monsters. Hate eating monsters. Oops, sorry. Oh, yes. Yeah, look at that nose. Look at that nose. Elsa of the bad hair. Look at that. She looks like she needs a bad hair brushing. It's not. It's just the way her hair comes in. Funky monkey. Yeah. Good sure. Look at this. So she's got funky florets and then a big old poof. You know what this means? Bath and a trim. Yeah, but you can see it's still recovering slightly with the little funky toe. That's her funky toe. But I put the stuff on it and it's getting a lot better. Yeah. Yeah. And then I do the nose. Booga booga booga. Yeah, what do you do? You just decide that you're gonna nibble? No, that has to have been from a long time ago. When you were a little bitty baby. I just forgot to check. I forgot to look at that. Bark. Burp. Burp. Look at that face. Oh, she kills it. And she's all white, dude. It's just unbelievable. She's like a weird bunny. She's like a poofy weird bunny. Yerp, 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 yerp. So cute. That would be a dog snoring. Yeah, that's a dog snoring. Yeah. Log sawn. That's a very comfortable dog. That's the Beatrice snoring like somebody's trying to cut down a forest. Right? I moved Momo in with Vanellope, and I was a little hesitant, but the girls are so chill, because look at that hairy potato. Fat and flattened hairy potato. Yeah. It's a flattened hairy potato. Where was I? Where was I? Oh, yes. Momo and Vanellope. I was a little scared that I didn't want any fights. I didn't want anybody to get hurt. But you know what? There was enough space in there, or there is enough space in there. I don't care. No, I don't care. Should we go show them? Should we put you away and then go show them? Yeah, let's go do that. Let's go put you. No. Dark in the room. It's late. Ooh. Alright, let's see if I can. Nope, can't do it. Alright, let's turn some light on. Let there be light. Okay, is that better? Yeah, that's better. Ralph? Hi, Momo. This thing goes up like that. I was just cleaning it out. Makes it easier to clean. But a certain Vanellope monster likes to chew on chloroplast. So, Mommy did a little snippy snippy. Is that a Ralph or snout? Ralph or snout. Okay, and then there's Elsa. Oh, there's Merida. Mommy's little mare. In there. Yes. Oh, the horrible gore of snackies. Would be the guts of a carrot. No. Or was it a carrot? Or was it squash? I don't know. Ralph. And I just cleaned your room too, buddy. There's the little mini hippo. Oh, God, I just cleaned your room out too. Look, guinea pigs are sweet and deranged. But unless you want the smell and the insane amount of upkeep, either get a hairy pig or just appreciate from afar. Because I just cleaned this up about an hour ago. Yeah. And little Miss she stands there, eats the hay, poops a pile. You can see little piles wherever she is. Pile. No lie. She'll stand over there. I don't know what for. Or over there. Don't know what for. Oh, even over by the water dish. No reason. She's got a little thing over there. And poop. Momo. Who's your momers? Okay. Hey, Momo Jojo, a.k.a. Moana. Hi. I know it seems like it's like, whoa, why do you have a big-ass food bowl in there? They actually do pretty good. Yeah, they do pretty good. Yeah. They are, hey, monsters. Hey, monsters. Yeah, you're almost as bad. You little, he's a light-colored potato. Mm-hmm. And he's the dark-colored potato. Hi, potato. Potato. All right. Y'all have a good night. Happy Sunday.